In this video, we are discussing ambient lighting. So, what is ambient lighting? So, that is the features of ambient lighting, that is light from the environment, light reflected or scattered from other objects, coming uniformly from all directions and then reflected equally to all directions, and a precise simulation of such effects require a lot of computations. So, here we are expecting that light should be coming from all directions and uniformly. That is a basic theme behind this ambient lighting. So, now here is one object, we are finding that there are 7 different light sources and light is coming uniformly and falling on this object surface. So, the simple approximation to complex real world process is that is the result is globally uniform color for object. So, here if we consider I as the resulting intensity, so that is I as a resulting intensity, IA that is a light intensity, so that is the IA, that is the light intensity falling, and then Ka is known as reflectance. So, Ka is known as reflectance. So, in this way if we consider this one, you are getting the resultant intensity on that very object surface. So, in this way the ambient lighting is taking place. Thanks for watching this video.